Welcome to this episode of Chainlink News with huge news across the ecosystem, product updates, and an entirely new campaign targeting the banks. Let's dive in. Okay, first we're going to start with Chainlink's new campaign called The Future is On. And it says tomorrow's revenue is here today. Tomorrow's capital, money, markets, tokenization, liquidity, banking, trades are here today. And this is going to be at chain.link/thefutureison. And so they built this new website that just shows how everyone's talking about on-chain finance. And the future doesn't have to be a great unknown. Leading institutions are using Chainlink to embrace the reality of on-chain finance, and the future is on. And then it has some videos of different leaders across various banks and financial institutions talking about on-chain finance and Chainlink. And it just shows how Chainlink is really here to revolutionize capital markets. You know, the various use cases that Chainlink has, why finance is moving on chain, and how, $900 trillion in assets are ready to be tokenized. And 97% of surveys agree that tokenization is for the future. And we're finally moving to 24/7 markets. And so you can go ahead and check this out. Again, it's chain.link/thefutureison. It's their new campaign, and it's worth checking out. And then we have the Chainlink product update for the Q4 2023, the end of the year 2023. And they sort of reflect on 2023, how it was remarkable, and Chainlink ecosystem has made a lot of progress. They started the year by sharing their 3 priorities. They launched CCIP, the cross-chain interoperability protocol. They launched data streams, the low latency data solution that unlocks on-chain derivatives at fast speeds. And then they also launched functions, which empowers developers to explore any use case on crypto through external data from APIs and Web2 infrastructure. And this go ahead and covers various products that Chainlink team is building. So you have CCIP, the cross-chain. It go ahead and shares the description and their current focus and what they have coming for this past quarter. Well, what they completed for the past quarter and what they're doing next. And you can see this across their data feeds, data streams, proof of reserves, compute, and all the other Chainlink products. So if you're an investor in Chainlink, they do have Kamal as their chief product officer, who is very experienced, and him and his team are putting together these nice quarterly updates, and you'll definitely going to want to check this out. So Chainlink product update Q4 2023, you can find that on their website, you can find it on their blog, you can just go ahead and Google this and take a look. Then we also have the winners from the Chainlink Hackathon Constellation. And it says, the idea behind Chainlink Hackathons are simple. They just want to give developers the right combination of tools to build applications that reshape user experiences, community incentives, and much more. And if you can dream it, you can build it at Constellation. So there was a lot of developers. There was 18,500 plus registrants in the hackathon. You can see the breakdown across the various services they used. Did they use CCIP or functions or which Chainlink products that we just covered? And even what are the use cases? Was it gaming or SocialFi or DeFi or supply chain? And it also goes into the prize winners, the various payments that were given out, and who won them. So Unwallet.me won the grand prize, and Assurance, a new type of insurance protocol, won the DeFi prize. And so go ahead and check this out if you're interested in what are people building on Chainlink during these hackathons. They're building a lot, and there's a lot of great rewards, and you can see what are some projects that might be coming around the corner that you can start paying attention to now. And then we also had Sergey. He hopped on CNBC Asia and outlined the global adoption of tokenized real-world assets. And so Chainlink is at the forefront of tokenizing real-world assets across all their different products that we covered. And it's great to see him getting on CNBC and talking about this. And then finally, we're just going to cover a few recent Chainlink integrations. Helio Protocol integrated CCIP for their cross-chain stablecoin transfers. Also, APX Finance did data streams, Vertex did data streams, and PancakeSwap did data streams and automation. So if you're interested in Chainlink news, be sure to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.